This is a song called Flow, Sweet River Flow, written by the great Ewan MacColl and arranged by Melanie Harold. Apparently, there's a version with 13 verses, but we thought we'd do 3. I met my love at Woolwich Pier, beneath the big crane standing, and all the love I felt for him, it passed all understanding. Drunk and sailing on the river, flow, sweet river, flow. London town was mine to give him, sweet Thames, flow softly, made the Thames into a crown. Flow, sweet river, flow, made a brooch of silver town. Sweet Thames, flow softly. At London Yard I held his hand, at Blackwall Point I faced him. The Isle of Doves, I kissed his mouth and tenderly embraced him. Heard the bells of Greenwich ringing, flow, sweet river, flow. All the time my heart was singing, sweet Thames, flow softly. Limehouse reach I gave him there, flow, sweet river, flow, as a ribbon for his hair. Sweet Thames, flow softly. But now, alas, the tide has changed. My love, he has gone from me, and winter's frost has touched my heart and put a blight upon me. Creeping fog is on the river, flow, sweet river, flow. Sun and moon and stars go with him, sweet Thames, flow softly. Swift the Thames runs to the sea, flow, sweet river, flow, bearing ships and